Hello everyone. Today we're going to see how to delay function execution in JavaScript. This is useful for creating timed interactions, async UIs, or debounced actions. Let's take a look at how it works using setTimeout and spread arguments. We want to execute any function after a given number of milliseconds. This solution should also support any number of arguments. We'll use JavaScript's built-in setTimeout and the spread operator to do this efficiently. This function takes in three parts: the function to run, how long to wait, and any number of arguments. setTimeout is used to delay execution, and the spread operator sends all extra values into the function. It is a clean and powerful one-liner that handles delays and arguments. The delay function sets a timer, waits for a specified millisecond, then calls your function using the arguments you provided. It's perfect for deferring work or delaying updates. Let's look at some examples to see it in action. In the first case, hi prints after 1 second. In the second, bye prints after 3 seconds. The same pattern applies to any function and any number of arguments. Let's see where this comes in handy. From UI interactions to async workflows, delaying a function is super useful. Whether it's tooltips, autosave, or retry logic, it helps to manage timing precisely. Let's summarize what you've learned. This delay utility wraps setTimeout in a flexible way. It's great for any time-based logic in your app. Now you can easily delay any function with custom arguments. Thanks for tuning in, and happy coding! Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.